Okay. Okay, sit down, Tita Jinky, sit down.
Okay.
Okay, we're all ready. Are you ready? Okay, where is letter O?
Go.
Yay! Good.
Yay!
Okay, good. How about letter B? B. Where's letter B? Yay! Yes, clap hand, mommy. Okay, next. Where is letter A? Where is letter A? Where's letter A? Yay! Daddy, clap hands, Daddy. How about letter Y? Yay! Clap hands, Tita. Daddy, okay. How about letter M? Letter M. M. Where's letter M? Yay! Daddy, clap hands. Letter Z. Yay! Where is letter F? F. Yay! Yes, clap hands, mommy. Okay, I'll clap hands. Where is letter I? Yay! Good job. Clap hands, Daddy. Where is letter D? D. Where's letter D? No? D. Where's letter D? Yay! Finish?